Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be reviewing cool cleaning accessories. Number 22. Microwave steam cleaner. With the help of this angry woman, you could easily clean up your greasy oven. You just pour some water with lemon acid into this toy, then put it inside of your microwave and turn it on for a couple of minutes, and then it's clean. Number 21. Fruit sponges could raise your mood even if you hate to wash dishes and clean your kitchen. There are 4 different variants, including oranges, strawberries, mango and watermelons. Number 20. Sponge brush. The thing could easily clean up deep glasses and bottles, and your hands will never stuck again inside of those pots and jars. The handle measures 25 centimeters, and there are 4 different color variants. Number 19. Brush with a tank for washing agent. You just pour some detergent into the special tank, and then you could easily dispense the cleaning agent by pressing the button while washing your dishes. Number 18. The microfiber brush. With the help of this brush, you could easily clean up any kitchen accessories which are made from stainless steel. For example, taps, dishes, pots, saucepans, and so on. Number 17. The silicone scraper. The thing helps to remove any old grease and dirt from the kitchen stoves and any other surfaces. It measures 18 cm long and 2.5 cm wide. It's handy and not sleepy. Number 16. Double-sided glass cleaner. Just look at the video and you will see how this thing works. Number 15. The universal broom. This broom is made for cleaning the windows from the outside, where it's hard to reach with your bare hands, but it also could be taken apart and used as a usual broom. Number 14. The shutter brush. As you can see, this smart brush is used for cleaning up the shutters. When it gets dirty, you could just replace the fiber or just wash it. Number 13. Tiny brush with a scoop. It helps to remove all the dirt and dust from hardly accessible places. For example, the corners of windows, doors, shutters, and so on. After it gets dirty, you could just wash it and it's ready to be used again. Number 12. Huge broom and a scoop. It's essential for people with bad back or just high ones, cause you don't have to bend over while using one of those brooms. The brooms could be fixed inside of a scoops for long-term storage. Number 11. Broom with replaceable textile made from microfiber. You could easily clean the floor, the walls, and even a ceiling with the help of this huge broom. The heads are easily replaceable. Number 10. Manual mechanical sweeper. Just look how easily it cleans up all the mess. Number 9. Portable manual vacuum cleaner. It's very useful when you have to clean only a small area. It weighs only 1.5 kilograms and it has a dust container. Number 8. Dust balls. The things are for the lazy bones, cause you don't have to do anything with those balls. You just put them on the floor and they start to absorb dust and dirt while just lying on your carpet. Number 7. Robotic vacuum cleaner. This small gadget will clean up every corner of your house automatically, and also it could scare the shit out of your dogs and cats. Number 6. Dust broom with a long handle and flexible joints. The handle could be adjusted from 34 to 62 centimeters long, so you could easily clean up even in very remote places. Number 5. Dust roller. The surface of this roller is quite sticky, so it easily removes the dirt, the hairs and the dust from any fabric, including clothes, floor, carpet and so on. Number 4. V-shaped toilet brush. Probably you could easily clean up your or someone else's toilet with the help of this magnificent brush. They also come in different colors. Here you can see the green one. Number 3. The tube lasso, which is made for cleaning up the drains and sinks from hairs and all that awful stuff. It's 51 centimeters long and pretty strong and flexible at the same time. Number 2. Brush for hand washing. Imagine that you've just spoiled your favorite shirt with a jam, but you don't want to load a full washing machine just for one shirt. This brush will help you to clean everything up. Number 1. The trash grabber. Imagine that you're walking down the street and then you see some junk nearby your house, but you don't want to dirty your hands, and here comes this trash grabber. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. The links are below.